Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is x is equal to cube root of 144 plus cube root of 132 plus cube root of 121, and to find the value of x cube minus 1 over x squared. So, we write this x is equal to, in here we have cube root of 144, and we can write 144 as 12 to power of 2, and plus, in here we can write this 132 as 12 times 11, and plus 121 as 11 to power of 2, and x is equal to, in here we can write this as cube root of 12 to power of 2, right, and plus cube root of 12 times 11 and plus cube root of 11 to power of 2. And next step, we let cube root of 11 as m and cube root of 12 as m and cube root of 11 as n. So we rewrite this equation, and x is equal to, this is equal to m squared, right, and plus cube root of 12 times 11, we can write this as cube root of 12 times cube root of 11, and it will be m times n, and plus, and this is equal to n squared. And next step, we multiply both sides of this equation by m minus n. So x times m minus n is equal to m squared plus mn plus n squared times m minus n, and it will be x times m minus n is equal to, in here we can write this as m cube minus n cube, right, and x times m minus n is equal to m cube, it will be 12, right, and n cube, it will be 11. So 12, in here 12 minus 11, it will be 1. And from here, we divide both sides of the equation by x, and it will be 1 over x is equal to m minus n. So we let this as equation 1. In next step, from this equation, equation 1, we have 1 over x is equal to m minus n. And we square both sides of the equation, so this to the power of 2 and this to the power of 2, and it will be 1 over x squared is equal to, in here, m to the power of 2, it will be m squared, and minus 2 times m times n, and plus n squared. And we let this as equation number 2. So, in next step, we want to find the value of x cubed minus 1 over x squared. So we write in here x cubed minus 1 over x squared. And we can write this as x cubed over x squared and minus 1 over x squared, right? In here, x cubed over x squared, it will be x, and from here, x is m squared plus mn plus n squared, right? So we write x as m squared plus mn and plus n squared, and minus 1 over x squared, and 1 over x squared is m squared minus 2mn and plus n square. And from here, x cube minus 1 over x square is equal to, in here, m square plus mn plus n square, and the minus m square, and negative times negative, it will be positive, 2mn, and minus n square. And this will cancel this, and this will cancel this, so x cube minus 1 over x square is equal to 3mn. And we recall this. M is equal to cube root of 12 and n is cube root of 11. So in here, it will be 3 times cube root of 12 times cube root of 11. And it will be 3 times cube root of 11 times 12, it will be 132. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.